Look, you probably spent hours scrolling, comparing specs, and still can't tell which DJ controller actually delivers, whether it's the right jog wheel feel, the right software compatibility, or the budget you can actually afford. The truth is, this video cuts through the noise, ends the confusion, and points you straight to the perfect controller right now. Product number 1. Hercules DJControl Starlight. Wow, if you're a DJ who loves to keep things tight and portable, this one is going to light up your nights. The Hercules DJControl Starlight is an ultra-compact 2-channel controller that plugs straight into your laptop via USB. And it comes with Serato DJ Lite preloaded, so you can start spinning right away. Trust me, the touch-sensitive jog wheels feel like a dream, letting you cue, scratch, and glide with pinpoint accuracy, while the built-in sound card delivers crisp, studio-grade audio without any extra gear. Look, the RGB lighting isn't just for show. It reacts to your music, turning every set into a mini light show that syncs with your beats. Honestly, the built-in light show and the compact size mean you can take this baby to the club, the garage, or the bedroom, and it still feels powerful. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Starlight gives you professional-grade performance in a pocket-friendly package. If you want to upgrade your DJ setup without breaking the bank, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 2. Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500. So, if you started your journey with a super compact Hercules DJControl Starlight, and you are finally ready for a massive upgrade, well, wow, you are going to love this. Honestly, look at the Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500. This is a robust 2-deck USB DJ controller that completely changes the game, whether you are mixing on Serato DJ or diving into Just, which actually comes included right in the box. Trust me, stepping up from a beginner board to this absolute beauty feels incredible. The layout is super spacious, the hardware filter effects sound amazing, and those retractable feet underneath, oh man, they literally let you elevate the whole unit, so you can fit your cables underneath or match the height of your club gear. It is sturdy, it is responsive, and it genuinely grows with your skills as an artist. If you want to take your bedroom mixes straight to the main stage, you seriously need to check this out. Do yourself a favor and click the link in the description below to find the best active discounts available today. Product number 3. Pioneer DJ RV1 2-deck Serato DJ Controller. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love the Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500, you're going to be blown away by what's coming next. Honestly, the Pioneer DJ RV1 2-deck Serato DJ controller in sleek black is a game changer for anyone serious about mixing. Look, it packs 2 full-size jog wheels that feel buttery smooth, perfect for those tight cue points and scratch tricks. And it's built right into Serato DJ, so you're ready to drop into your library the second you power up. The performance pads are velocity sensitive, giving you fire loops, hot cues, and sampler chops with just a tap. Trust me, the response is instant. The layout mirrors a professional club rig with dedicated filter knobs, FX controls, and a clear, backlit LCD that keeps you locked on the beat. Plus the sturdy, rubber-coated platter edges mean you won't slip even during those high-energy sets. And the black chassis? It looks as sharp as the sound it delivers. So if you're ready to level up from the Inpulse 500, the DJRV1 is the natural next step. Check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 4. Roland DJ202 Compact DJ Controller. Hey everyone! So I just got my hands on the Roland DJ202 Compact DJ Controller, the fresh follow-up to the Pioneer DJRV1. And wow, it's a game changer for anyone looking to up their DJ game without filling the studio with gear. Honestly, the 202's 2-deck layout feels like a direct, upgraded cousin of the RV1, but with a sleeker, more portable build that still packs a punch. Trust me, the responsive jog wheels, the bright RGB performance pads, and the intuitive faders let you mash beats and scratch with precision, just like on a full-size rig but in a fraction of the space. Look, the controller runs smoothly on Serato DJ, so if you're already in that ecosystem, the transition is seamless. And the built-in sound card delivers clean audio, and the compact design means you can take it to gigs or jam in your bedroom. No heavy cables or bulky desks required. And the touch-friendly layout makes queuing and looping feel almost second nature. So if you're craving a powerful, pocket-sized DJ setup, this Roland DJ202 is the perfect next step. Check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 5. AlphaTheta DDJ FLX2 Compact 2-Channel DJ Controller. If you loved what the Roland DJ202 brought to the table, but you are ready for something even fresher and way more approachable, honestly, you need to see this. Look, today I am checking out the AlphaTheta DDJ FLX2 Compact 2-Channel DJ Controller, and wow, it completely changes the game for beginners. Trust me, if you want to start DJing faster, this little powerhouse is built specifically for you. It features smart fader technology, seamless USB-C connectivity, and full streaming support so your entire music library is right at your fingertips. But wait, it gets even better. AlphaTheta actually includes a complete DJ course to get you mixing like a pro from day one, without any of the usual headaches. The beginner-friendly mixing features take all the intimidation out of your first transition, letting you just focus on the music and the vibe. Whether you are practicing in your bedroom or setting up for a small house party, this compact setup punches way above its weight class. Go ahead and check the link in the description below for the best active discounts today. That is all for today's roundup. Be sure to click the links below for more details and the best deals. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more reviews.